If I could just download into everyone's brain right now, the number of things I've asked for and gotten a no or
Mhm,
no response, you'd be stunned.
mhm.
I've been blessed with some success in my life, and some people see that and go, "Oh, you just know how to do it, or you've got special skills." Or, well, some of that might be true, but largely I've just asked for so much. Patrick Rothfuss, the author, it took me a couple of years just percolating, just thinking, I actually wish he'd finish his third book. We've been waiting 10 years for it. Finally, I thought I could do something about that. So I sent a message through his website to say, hey, totally self-interest here. I want to offer to coach you to help you work on this book because I want to read it.
Oh,
Now, didn't get a response, but you add those up like 100, 200, 300, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000. I once reached out to Tom Cruise's personal assistant to say I'd like to coach Tom. It just came up in me. And finally, I'm like, oh, I got the impulse. The day I got the impulse to call Jack Canfield, I'd wanted to call his office and ask him if he'd come and speak at my live event. I was so scared to do it. And then one day, just thinking about it, daydreaming about it, I'm like, oh, damn it, give me that phone.
mhm.
Called the phone. He happened to be in. They happened to put me through. And I got him on the phone and I said, I would orient my entire event around when you're going to be in town. So you don't even have to do a special trip. What would it take to enroll you in speaking at my event? Lo and behold, it happened. But that's one of the 1 in 500, 1 in 1,000 requests that come through. I get a few of them because I asked for so many.
Mm.
And
I
Jack, when
love
Jack
that.
came and spoke at my event, he himself talked about the law of large numbers.
Ah,
I'd
yeah.
never put that together that I used the law of large numbers to get him to speak at the event about the law of large numbers.